Want to delete something you posted on TikTok but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete a TikTok post. Now let's get started. To delete one of your posts on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Scroll to find the post you want to delete and tap it to open it. Then tap the three dots on the right side. In the menu that appears, scroll sideways at the bottom to find the delete option. Then tap Delete. To confirm, tap Delete in the pop-up menu. If you change your mind and want to restore the video, you can restore it within 30 days of deletion. That's all it takes to delete a post on TikTok. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials for beginners. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.